cuties, welcome back to my channel. It's Felicia. If you're tuning to watch me for the first time, in this video I'm going to be featuring this hair I picked up from Hergivenhair. So I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe with the bell to all videos every week. So this is the scarf that comes with the hair, and you get a certain bag to store your unit, and of course this booklet that shows you about how to care for your hair and about the brand. This hair is a customized unit. It's a Coily hair, it's a Coily bangs headband wig in 18 inches in a size small. You guys know each time I recommend Hergivenhair units, I always tell you, like, if you're getting a headband wig, get a size small if you have a small size head. It was a perfect fit for my head. My head is a size small, so I was so happy when I received it. I kept running my fingers through it. The unit is so soft. I was being rough on the unit, and that was how I ended up with this hair you see on the sink. Please ignore that, but the hair is so beautiful. I love the color. I love the texture. Like, the hair is thick from the root to the ends. I love to show love, like give love to my unit, especially the ones from Hergivenhair, because the units is pricey. So I always try to make sure that I take good care of the units I receive, like I get from them. So I'm just trying to detangle this unit. I will be using the Cantu, I think is a leave-in conditioner. Please, if you're using this conditioner, do not put too much in your unit, because since I used this conditioner in this unit, I put too much from this video, which is the first time I wore the unit, and when the unit dried up, I had a lot of the dried products on my outfit, which I forgot to dust off in the video. But I've learned my lesson not to put too much. I love the curls, you guys. It's so pretty. I can't, like, this unit makes me so happy. I highly recommend it. You guys should go try it. So I'll just do the same thing on the rest of the unit. So this is the next day. You can see the unit is completely dried, and I have the leave-in conditioner on the unit. I didn't notice this, honestly. I was just carried away. I just wanted to get the unit on my head, but you would see what I mean by the unit dropping on my outfit. You see that? So I'll be using my conditioner mix, like, to wet the hair a little bit, so the leave-in conditioner could, like, to kind of tone it down a little bit. But that's not a problem, since after that I would just spray water or my conditioner mix on the unit, and I didn't see any of this dry leave-in conditioner on this unit. I'm gonna, like, try to see how I could work with the unit and style it for you guys to see, so you guys can let me know what you think. Please let me know down in the description box below what you think. I don't have any headband on right now. This is just what this unit is looking like on me. And of course, my favorite part is a headband. I really don't wear like units with bangs. This is like my first one, and I'm like still trying to get used to the look. This headband I got like a long time. I got one of my units from Hergivenhair, and this was, I think I bought it or I think they gave me, I don't recall. So, but I haven't used it before. I decided to rock it for this look. And this leopard print I got with this order. um, I have another one from Hergivenhair, which was my very first unit. That one was so tight. I can't still wear that headband till now. This is a newer one. I did leave like comments to them about that headband being too tight. This one they sent me was just okay, like perfect. And this other head wrap, I don't know how to call it, scarf, I really like it. It suits my skin tone. I love the way it looks in this unit. And please ignore all the conditioner on my outfit. I did try to dust it off a little bit. And this is another style. Please let me know which of these styles you like the best. I love this one. I love this unit, you guys. I love the color. Oh my goodness. I'm just feeling myself. I highly recommend this unit, you guys. Yes, I love it. So this will bring me to the end of this video. I hope this was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.